For many children, their parents or grandparents are a source of inspiration to select and decide a career. Do you want to select a career for your children? Here is a motivational video, so therefore watch the full video so that you will get the motivation. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Before I go to the video contents, I thank my family. I thank 473 subscribers. YouTube video says only 30% have subscribed. Please support me and subscribe so that I come with a lot of motivational videos. I thank 5008 views, majority from outside India. So now we go to the video. When Rahul, name fictitious, was a small boy, his father Raghavendra, name fictitious, started buying toy planes. Every month Raghavendra would buy different type of planes. When Rahul was in first standard, Raghavendra started buying magazines of planes and explaining the various models. Once he became familiar, Raghavendra took him to the nearest airport and shown him the various planes he has seen in the magazines. So he was getting more and more interested about the planes. When Rahul started his fifth standard, he decided to become an aeronautical engineer, a pilot, and he would use his own plane. In 10th and 12th, Rahul was a topper. After 12th, he got selected in a aeronautical engineering college. During the study, he made various research. He started making a small plane that would run inside the house to get an idea. He got an internship in a plane manufacturing company in India, saw the various activities of that company during that short period. In engineering, he was a topper. He got scholarship to go abroad and study. In the foreign university, he made good friends who are interested in aeronautical field, studied jointly, and he was getting more and more idea how he could contribute to the aeronautical industry. There also he got an internship in a foreign plane manufacturing company. During the internship, the company's authorities saw his keen interest in various activities, and they have decided to recruit him in the campus selection. So much before the MS, he got selected in the plane manufacturing company. After joining the plane manufacturing company, he made lot of interest in contributing his knowledge to the company's research work. Meanwhile, he started his research work and towards for a PhD course, and he completed successfully his PhD as well. Within few years, he reached a top post, and after couple of years, he came to his hometown with his own plane, and he was a pilot of that plane. So this is how a parent can select a career for their children. I know there are many people, they decide their children should become IAS, IRS, IPS, or they should become software engineers. So the parents spend their money and energy in motivating their children. Well friends, I hope you have liked my video. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, please share this video to your friends who have children and request them to be a career selection guide. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.